Oh, okay, well, I guess I took too long to move. Alright, this is the 68 short narrow. At least 67 fenders. Alright, so now let's see. This is the bed. That's rear cab. That's the rear cab mount right there. So there's that. Oh jeez. Let's see. Well, I had to do that. Okay, I'm gonna try pausing. There's a shot to kind of show the back, and I think somebody was asking about the roof. Oh yeah, I gotta do. That's just body filler. Let's see here. Asking about what this look like. I need to do like I say, I'm not gonna do that on here. Let's pause it. Okay. Let's get it. I don't know if I got that front body mount on this thing. I hope I did. I really don't want to go back up there. Oh, yeah, too old for this stuff. Really, I'm not, but I sure feel like I am. Okay, there might be a body mount right there. Okay, yeah, that's the back of the cab. Okay, yeah. Oh, jeez. Okay. I think that's good enough. Remember, the jack is there to... This tire will leak down over time, and but there's no cracks in it. Tires are good. They're almost new. Just haven't ever been drove. They're probably, well, I think he said 2001 on that engine video. I'd been saying 99, so his dad passed away a few years later than I thought. But I guess he'd been sick the last couple, so 99 I think is probably when most of the work on this truck was done. Was in 90, probably 97, 99, maybe a little longer than that. I don't know how long he worked on it. I think it'd be a little further along probably, but I don't know how big a priority it was. He was still running his business, I think, right up till pretty much the end. All right, I'm going to shut up and do this windshield.